Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the language in Gemini. So here I've already opened the gemini.google.com. To easily change the language, you can just click on your photo at the top right corner and then click on this manage your Google account. And after this, you can go to the personal info and then just scroll down until you find the general preferences for the web. You can just tap on this language options, and here you can choose the language that you want. So for example, this is the preferred language. You can change it by clicking on this edit icon, this pencil icon. I'm going to go with, okay, I've already added Indonesia, so I'm going to just make it up here. Okay, so now it will be changed into Indonesia. If you want to add, you can just click on this pencil and click on this arrow after that. Now let's open the Gemini again and let's refresh it. So as you guys can see here, now the Gemini has been changed into Bahasa Indonesia, which I chose before. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.